Tom and Anna are watching TV. They are very focused.
This show is awesome! I don't want to miss a thing! Same here. It's really exciting tonight. I like this part the most. The story is getting really good.
And now, the final scene.
Wow, that was intense. I think it's finished. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get some water. Okay, I'll come with you. We can watch more tomorrow night.
Breaking news starts now. And that concludes our evening broadcast. We wish you all a good night.
Oh, they left the TV on.
Let's wait and see.
I won't say anything right now.
Stay tuned for more news tonight. More details will come in the next report.
Not just the TV, the lights too.
Yes, I see that now.
I'm really thirsty right now. Ah, the cold air feels nice. This water is perfect. So refreshing. I feel better now.
The fridge is open. They're not being careful.
That's wasting electricity.
Yes, that uses more power. Such a mess.
The power usage keeps rising.
Yes, we are using too much power.
The hallway light is still on. I need to finish my report. Why is it so slow? That's strange. Oh no. Power is gone.
Oh no, the system is overloaded.
TV is still on.
Fridge door is open.
Lights are on everywhere.
Tom, Anna, come here, please.
What happened?
Electricity is wasted.
We're wasting electricity. Oops. I left the TV on.
When devices stay on, they waste power. This causes trouble for the family.
Yes, Mom. It causes problems for the family. I'm really sorry, Mom, Dad. I will turn them off. I turned off the TV. The fridge is closed. The lights are off.
The power is back on.
Good job.
That's the right thing to do.
Yes, that was the right thing to do.
That's right. Saving energy starts at home.
We all share this responsibility.
Let's be careful. Yes, every time.
That's a good lesson for all of us.
We will save electricity. We promise.
We promise.
That's good.
It's quiet now. I learned something important. Save electricity. Save the future.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.